Hey, where you guys from? Where y'all from? Brazil. Brazil? You from Brazil too?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
All right, well, enjoy yourself. Have a good time. Be good, safe wherever you have to go. And just so you know, since you're from Brazil, like if you go back in your pocket, be sure that you don't mistakenly throw $100 bill in here, because I might not be able to get it back to you before the doors close. Okay? Okay. Just so you know. All right. All right. What's up, man? What's up? What's up? What's up, man? How you doing? What's up, man? You know what I'm saying? We'll have to have a lovely, lovely night. Ladies, you know, if you ladies want to like run up here, jump on me, start kissing me and stuff, it's fine. Ladies only. Ladies only. It's fine with me. Have a good night. You know what I'm saying? We gotta go. This is my last song. I gotta go. This is my last song. I have to leave. I have to go. No, that song. All right on. Go. I say, ow! Wait a minute. One more time. Give me your money. Give it to me. No, I'm just kidding, man. I'm just kidding. All right. Have a good night, you know what I'm saying? We gotta go. Hey, I can't do it like that on Broadway, but I can do it any kind of way I want it. So, that's the reason. Have a good night.